Hendi is a manufacturer and importer of tools for chefs. We are currently operating with 7 offices in 25 markets, and we have a product range depending on the market between 3,500 and 9,000 SKU. We had a lot of systems all containing product information, but all had different information. There was no cohesion in all this data, and that triggered us to start looking into a possible solution. We are focused on business to business, so our clients are big cash and carries in Europe. Their buyers prefer to have a catalog on the desk because they can pick it up, they can go through it, they can look at it. So even today, printing a catalog is very important for us. And when we learned that they have a direct plugin into InDesign, that was a key driver for our decision. And it has been a good decision because we have been able to scale up our catalog production from 6 different versions up to 20 different versions. And we do it in, I think, 25% of the time, without growing the team substantially. Our PIM system is central in the organization. So each office can have a different ERP system. Each office can have a different warehouse management system. But we have only one solution for product information, and that's Inriver. Our customers have noticed it because we are now able to share our information much faster and much more efficiently and in a correct manner. No more sending out Word files, no more sending out Excel files. We just give them a link to a product information feed. They connect it to their platform, their website. They have always up-to-date information, including images, including manuals, including everything they need to know. So this saves us a lot of time. In those 6 years that we now have been running Inriver, we have been able to extend that from 9 up to 25 different languages, while also growing our assortment because we went from 2,000 items to 9,500 items, all with product information that needs to be translated. Without the PIM system, we wouldn't be able to do that as efficiently as we did. I think with the use of Inriver, we are saving ourselves almost 50% of time. We've been able to do more work with the same amount of people.